This 41.8 crore beauty costs more than a fleet of luxury cars. A beautiful and powerful white cow recently set a new record in Brazil for being the most expensive cow ever sold. A Nellore breed cow, originally from India, has made history in Brazil, becoming the world's most expensive cow. Named Viatina 19, this remarkable animal was sold for an astonishing rupees 41.8 crore or $4.8 million in Minas Gerais, Brazil. This Nellore cow weighs a staggering 1,101 kg, nearly twice the weight of an average cow of its breed. Its strong build, thick white coat, and unique muscular structure sets it apart from the rest. She has also been crowned Miss South America at the Champions of the World for her beauty of unmatched genetics and muscular build. Viatina 19 has gained immense value due to its genetic superiority. Cattle breeders invest in elite cows like her to enhance milk production and overall livestock performance. One of its standout physical features is a large hump on its back, which acts as a fat reserve and helps it survive during food scarcity, though it will not have much of that. Its loose skin also plays a key role in withstanding extreme heat. The Nellore breed originates from Andhra Pradesh, India, and is known for its hardiness and adaptability. This breed thrives in hot climates and is widely popular in South America, Africa, and Australia. With cattle farming evolving, the demand for genetically superior breeds is rising. Viatina 19 represents the future of elite cattle breeding, where a single cow can influence an entire lineage. The sale of Viatina 19 has sparked global discussions about the luxury cattle market. In recent years, wealthy investors have shown growing interest in elite livestock trading. Though it may seem surprising, cattle breeding has become a high-stakes industry, where rare, high-quality breeds fetch millions due to their long-term profitability. This record-breaking auction has underscored how cattle genetics, breeding, and livestock investments are evolving into a billion-dollar market worldwide. While Indian breeds are being valued abroad for their strength, durability, and hardiness, India seems to be losing out on its own indigenous cattle breeds. Viatina 19 is not just a cow, she is a symbol of prestige and agricultural innovation, proving that elite cattle breeding is an industry to watch.